Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Everyone, and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Nontando Khanye and I post weekly videos on how you can style your natural hair. And if you like what you see, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and turn your post notification on to be notified each time that I post. So if you're a returning subscriber, hi and welcome back. So on this video I will be doing a two-side bun hairstyle. So I'm just going to be showing you one side because I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side. So first off, I start by sectioning my hair into two parts. So my hair is freshly washed. I have a video on my wash day. You can check it up on my channel. I have a wash day tutorial video. So after doing that, I went ahead and did this hairstyle. So my hair is freshly washed and freshly detangled. So now I will be using the Perfect Touch styling gel extreme hold, and that's what I will be using. I'm not going to be doing a lot of explaining on this video since everything is just self-explanatory, and I'll probably just pop in to say a few things when needed. But yeah, I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy the video.
Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
So I did my nails because I decided to be a city girl, and I forgot I cannot type with these nails. I cannot do anything with these nails because I'm not a city girl. But anyway, we move. I did my nails, guys. Well, my sister did my nails. I think they look cute. Look at this. Imagine if I just had a head wrap on. I don't know how to wrap my head. I think I should teach myself that. Like how cute I would look. Oh my god. I don't know, man. I'm looking for, I want these two puffs to be really puffy but also look natural. I don't know if I should go with the Sapphire hair or if I should go with the Marley Kinky hair. I'm gonna try them out both. I'm reusing my hair. I wasn't kidding with that. I love hair that I can reuse because I'm a bitch on a budget. But yeah, it's just nice buying something that you can use later on. No harm in that. I am looking for what? Okay, I found it. I really hope this works. I think I'm gonna need some bobby pins. I don't know. I'm trying this out. I might need them, might not need them. Let me just keep them nearby. Oh yeah, I always don't show this part. So when you want something to hook, ne, you take your hairband, this one, take your hairband, take the hair, and you do this. I don't know if you guys can see, right? Then you pull these two, just like so. I'm gonna do this. You take this one, you put it underneath this one, and then that's the one that you pull like this, and it's all locked. And then I'm gonna take this part and I'm gonna attach it to my bun. So I started with the Sapphire Afro twist just to see how it came out looking like. I was not happy with how it looked like, but I still showed you guys. We'll be doing that in a minute. I was not happy with how it came out looking like, so I decided to change it. But because I like giving people options, I still decided to record it and put it up on this video. So if someone else likes it the way that I did, then you can do it that way, or if not, you can try using the Marley Kinky hair just like I did. But this is the final result, and this is how it came out looking like. It still came out cute. It's just not something I was looking for then. Alright, so that failed. We are moving on to plan B, which is the Marley Kinky hair. This was it for this video. My buns were not equal, but it wasn't standing out and I was tired. There was basically nothing I could do at this point. It still came out looking cute. What's nice about this is that when you go to sleep, you can just take them off and install them the next day. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. I'm on a road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you made it this far and you're not yet subscribed, please do the right thing. And thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.